A lot of Bluetooth trackers out there have had multiple generations, 1, 2, 2.5, I've even seen recently a couple 3s, and each generation keeps getting better and better, or most of them have. But there have also been a couple of them that have only put out one generation, and one of those that come to mind is the MYNT. And if you guys haven't seen that original video, check out that video right up there. But it was a great tracker, and still is a great tracker because of all the additional features. You were able to control your music, your PowerPoint presentation, and it was a Bluetooth tracker, had crowd GPS, and it had a lot of great things in it. But it is now time to go to the new generation, and they've recently released a new MYNT ES. On this channel, I like to do product reviews and sometimes how-to-dos on anything that can help you and your family out. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button along with that like button right down there. The original MYNT tracker was not just a Bluetooth tracker, but it was also a multifunctional button that was able to control your music player, a PowerPoint presentation, among other things. So it had a lot of uses out there. The battery life was never that great. I was getting probably about 3 to 4 months, even though they advertised it could go up to 6. Even though they call this the MYNT ES, I personally like the name MYNT E. You know, like Mint E Fresh. It is compatible with iOS devices and Android. You can find anything with just a ring, see where you left your item, and it does have a crowd GPS. All these things are also in the original MYNT. And for whatever reason, it does still use Bluetooth 4.0, even though that most new phones out there have Bluetooth 5.0 now. And it does have a CR203 replaceable battery, has a 12-month battery life, and it has a decibel rating of 80 decibels, which we will be verifying with my little sound meter. Now, unfortunately, it's not available currently. It's only available for pre-order on Indiegogo. I will be leaving affiliate links down below where you can pick up this product and also the original MYNT. For full disclosure, they did send this product to me for free, but this will be an honest and unbiased review.
What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me.
And that's all they've included. There's no keychain or anything. The original MYNT came in a bunch of different colors and felt great in the hand due to its brushed aluminum. The MYNT E, on the other hand, is all plastic and only comes in black and white. Now, as far as size goes, it is just about the same size as the original MYNT. It is a little bit shorter in height, as you can see there. There we go. But it is a little bit wider, as you can see there. And the new MYNT E is also thicker. The original MYNT was super easy to change the battery with this little suicide door. And the new MYNT E looks like a little bit more difficult, but still not too bad. Just need a good fingernail to pry this open. Hopefully you don't break it. And this is a CR2032 battery. Alright, let's go ahead and connect this to the app. And we're going to go up here to the top left and hit the plus button, and this is the new MYNT ES. Press and hold the M-shaped button on the MYNT device. Listen for the melody. So let's go ahead and do that. I am not hearing anything. Hit done. We're going to call this keys. Let's hit confirm. Searching. Reverse find. We're going to press the button. Press and hold the M button. There we go. Got the sound. Last seen location and tutorial complete. Alright, so let's go in here to the MYNT E or MYNT SE. We're going to ring it. And it definitely is not that loud. Let's go ahead and test it out with our sound meter. Alright, the last there was 85.2, so definitely not too shabby, but definitely not very loud in my opinion. Let's compare this to the original MYNT. So as loud as there was 85.5, so just about the same, but definitely still not that loud. You can see the last location on the map, which I will be blocking out for my privacy. Loss prevention. You can have separation alerts, you can have the MYNT alarm, the phone alarm, and sensitivity. So if you do happen to leave your keys behind or your device, your phone will ring or give you a little notification, and vice versa. If you leave your phone behind, your MYNT will do a little ring to let you know that you left your phone behind. Now of course, because it is Bluetooth and there are moments where it does lose connectivity for a split second, you can actually have safe zones. So if you happen to be in one of these zones and it does lose that connectivity, it will not alert you that you left something behind. Not only can you have your home and work safe zone, but you can also add multiple locations. If you guys remember in the original MYNT video, I tested the MYNT to see if it was able to work on my iPhone without the app running in the background. Unfortunately, it had to be running. So you were not able to track it, you were not able to find your phone with your device unless the app was working in the background. Well, there's a lot of competition out there, and they've done a lot of work on the software and the firmware, and now a lot of the competition, you can now find your tracker or find your phone and track your tracker without the app running in the background. Now of course you still had to have Bluetooth and you had to have the app on your phone, but at least you didn't have to have it running, or if you accidentally shut it down, you're still okay. So I am wondering if they've updated their app and their firmware and their software to match the competition. So let's go ahead and find out. Alright, so let's go ahead and shut down the app. Now it's running in the background, of course, as you can see there. I'm going to hold it down, and it rings. So let's go ahead and shut down the app completely. And we're going to hold it down, and we get nothing. Now some of these apps do take a couple minutes to recycle and do whatever they need to do to reconnect with their tracker. So let's go ahead and give MYNT a few minutes and we'll be right back. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. You can see there's no apps running. We're going to hold this down, and we have nothing. So as you can see, you still need the app to be running on iOS devices for the original MYNT to work. But in my testing with Android, fortunately for you guys who have Android phones, you don't need the app to be running. So let's go ahead and move on to the new MYNT E. I'm going to shut down the app and hold this down. And as you can see, it rings. And now we're going to shut down the app completely, and we're going to try to ring it, and we get nothing. Now we're going to give it a few minutes to try to reconnect, and we will be right back. Alright guys, it's been a couple minutes, and you can see there's no apps running. We're going to hold this down, and unfortunately it is not ringing. Now as far as pricing goes of the new MYNT, I'm not quite sure what it's going to be on Indiegogo. I know they're going to have a bunch of different tiers and rewards. That's what they normally do on Indiegogo. But in my opinion, it should be cheaper than the original MYNT. Because it had additional features. You know, it has everything that the MYNT E or MYNT ES has, but it has all those additional features where you can connect and control your music, you can control your PowerPoint presentation, and among other things, you can take selfies, that type of stuff, which is not in the new MYNT. Now, of course, the new MYNT has a better battery life, but then you lose all those features. There are other trackers out there on the market that have a 12-month battery life and has a bunch of different features. So I don't see why they would not have these features in this tracker. So in my opinion, I would stick with the original MYNT. I just think it's a better deal, especially if they're the same price. Now, if this is much cheaper, go for this. If you guys want just to join the crowd GPS of the MYNT network, definitely go for this. But if you want those features and the crowd GPS of the MYNT tracker and the MYNT network, go for the original MYNT. So in some of my final words, you do want to skip the new MYNT ES and stick with the original Mint. Alright guys, let's wrap up this video. If you guys have any questions or comments or just want to say hi, leave it down below. I will answer them when I get a chance. Make sure you smash that like button right down there. Let me know that I'm doing a great job. It does take a lot of work and time on videos like this. If you guys are brand new to my channel, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscription button, which is this blue circle right there. If you want to become a super subscriber, check out my Patreon page, it's blue square. Check out the original Mint video right up there, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.